We want to find the mean and the median of the data set. So using Excel, so first of all you put equal sign and then you tab average. Open the parentheses and then select the whole data set. So this answer will give you the mean. The mean is the same as the average. So again, equal average and then open parentheses, select your data. Now, if you want to find the median, then you do equal sign and then tap the word median. Open the parentheses, select your data and close the parentheses. Then you got the answer for median.